went after the bad one again. Yeah. The prick.
Yeah, but it was legal.
Yeah.
That's why I'm not that pissed off.
It's Christmas toe socks.
If it's like illegal and the ref doesn't notice, then it's kind of bullshit. But like,
The ref said he didn't see it.
It's totally legal. I didn't see the other part that wasn't legal.
Just need a piece of gum.
What?
Go ask Tina. She's got all the gum.
Need a piece of gum.
I need some gum like that too.
Hunter, look up!
Well, not that game.
Try to side back if you can.
Oh yeah, that's easy to paint. That'll be easy to paint.
Hey, when I stop over for supper, you can do that.
Yeah, no, I'm gonna be gone.
No,
She's got a hot date.
You're gonna be there.
Yeah, with Jamila.
Yeah.
Ow.
It's good.
We're gonna try to find a party in there.
Let's go, Hunter. You're gonna try and find what?
Yeah, I've been home before.
Are you riding home with your mom, Jess?
What?
Did your mom leave?
Yeah. Why?
Wait, where do you
Let's
go to
say, let's go
a party
home
in
with her.
Because she knows a lot of people from Madison, and they're just like.
Madison? Go to the party? I invite you too.
Come on, Hunter.
There's a lot of black people.
I'm not black.
Not that.
He's an uh-oh Oreo.
What?
No, Oreo.
Inside out Oreo.
Oh, okay.
Do you not get it?
What?
Do you not get it?
Black inside, white on the outside.
Who's our next guy? Come on, Hunter. You can get it.